This is the story of how Palestinian land was stolen.
Here are many copies of our documents of our lands from before 1947. My name is Saeed Muhammad Al-Isawi. I born in Palestine, exactly in a camp called Al-Jalazon. It's 4 kilometers north Ramallah city. And my father born in a village called Kufurana near Yafa city. It's about 7 kilometers from the Mediterranean Sea.
The Isawi family were driven out of their lands in 1948 when the State of Israel assumed authority and governance over Palestine. They were taken to a refugee camp. It is there that Saeed was born and had no access to go back to their land because the State of Israel didn't allow Palestinians the right of return.
It's not allowed for anyone who left the 48 lands to return back. Otherwise, many people, they will go back.
After Palestinians were driven out from their lands and had no way to go back, Israel tried to buy Palestinian land by offering exorbitant amounts of money. After the war in 1967, Israel did a national census and found Muhammad Isawi alive in the Jalazon camp. Israel proposed to Muhammad that he sell his land in Palestine.
They asked him, you have said that your age is over 70 years old and you are very sick and your kids are outside Palestine. They are even not in Jordan. Why you don't sell us your land and have fun? He told them, I prefer and I want to keep the land for my kids. And he closed that subject.
The Isawi family have preserved all of the documents that prove this land belongs to them according to and certified by the Palestinian government and the occupying British government in 1941. The Isawi family migrated from country to country, seeking refuge from the tyranny of the Israeli state. In 1972, Saeed was allowed to visit his homeland, but only as a tourist traveling from Jordan. This is when he witnessed the land that belongs to them had been transformed without their authority.
During that trip, I could go to Yafa and I could go to our village, Kufrana. Only 2 rooms left in our village. The school, classroom, 1 room, and the mosque. And the other things in our village had demolished and they built in that highways. It becomes highway, roads. It's the best place in the world if you eat from their food, fruits, the oils, olive oil or other things. You feel different.
There is no avenue available for Saeed to take back his father's land. Saeed migrated in 1948, 1967, 1970, 1990, 1994, 1998 from country to country and now resides in Australia. He hopes that one day he can go back to Palestine and live in his rightful place of residence. Saeed's story is just one of many of how Palestinians lost their land. May Allah liberate the land of Palestine from the grip of the Israeli Zionist state.